Welcome to Read Cure Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello dear pupils! Welcome to Read Cure Channel. I am Teacher Betty, your reading rescuer for the day. In the last episode, I taught you how to sound the letters S, A, T, and P, and read some words. In this episode, I am going to show you how to produce the sounds of another 4 letters of the alphabet. So, let's start! Letter I is the 9th letter of the English alphabet. There are 2 sounds of letter I. The short sound of I sounds E. The long sounds of I sounds like I. Look at the pictures. They have the beginning sound of short E. E. Insect. E. Ink. E. Insect. E. Ink. We are done learning letter I with a short sound E. Now, let us learn the sound of long I. The following pictures have the beginning sound of long I. The first picture, eyes. Eyes. The second picture, ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. So, we are done learning the short and long sounds of the letter I. Now, let us practice. I am going to read the following words, so you better listen carefully. E, E, E. Eat, it. Sit, sit, sit. Tip, tip, tip. Pit, pit, pit. Now let us learn another letter. This is letter N. The sound of letter N is N. 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 The following pictures have N beginning sound. N, nail. N, nose. N, note. Now let us look at these words. Listen carefully as I read them. N, nail. N, nose. N, note. Nine.
Nurse.
Let's practice more. I will read another set of words with the N sound. N sound. N. 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 Na, na, na. Ni, ni, ni. An, an. In, in. Nap, nap. Nip, nip. Pan, pin, tan, tin. In this episode, you have learned about the 2 sounds of letter I. E, I. You also learn the N sound where we have read a lot of words as examples. I bet you can practice reading these words, these sounds on your own so you can read better. In the next episode, we are going to learn new sets of sounds and we will have fun reading more words. Again, this is Teacher Betty, your Read Cure partner. See you again in the next episode. Enjoy your day and have fun reading.